I mentioned before that I wanted to turn the scraps of one of my old paintings into a purse. So I went to the fabric store, gathered a few materials, and decided to get to work. I laid out my material, measured twice, and even sewed some pieces together. But then, let's just say, some things didn't work out. I made some prototypes for a bag that I want to make in the future, but I'll save that for another video. Instead, I decided that I wanted to paint on a couple of thrifted handbags that I picked up a few months ago. Now, I've done this before and it turned out really successful, so I knew I could do a good job again. The larger bag did have some aesthetic blemishes here and there, but the structure of the bag was in really good shape, so I started to sketch out my design. When I paint on bags, I normally don't sketch out the design first, but this design specifically had 3 different figures in it, and I wanted to make sure all the figures fit in the right places and had good placement before I started painting. When I paint on bags, I just use regular acrylic paint. I normally go for either Sennelier or I think it's Liquitex was the other one that I was using. I am not an acrylic painter at all. I actually don't like acrylic painting on canvas. I prefer oil, but for the handbags it works out perfectly. I then moved on to the smaller purse. It's actually a crossbody purse, and I said that I thrifted it, but this one was actually purchased from Urban Outfitters on sale. I normally thrift all of the bags that I paint on, but this one was a really good deal and it was a really cute shape as well. this is basically what they ended up looking like in the end. I did go back and add a few more details here and there just to darken up certain areas and provide more contrast. Now I did have a bit of leftover canvas, so I decided to make a little card wallet out of it. The card wallet is actually really tiny and it can only fit one card at a time, but it's still really cute. I added a snap closure to it and I'll get some use out of it. So there you have it. Those are the 3 things that I made that incorporate my artwork. I hope you enjoyed.